How to delete YouTube search history on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to delete YouTube search history on iPhone, open the YouTube application on your device first. Make sure you were signed in. Now tap on your profile icon. You will see the option for settings. Tap on that and then tap on the manage all history option. All your search history will be available here. In order to delete search history, tap on the delete drop-down you see there. You'll be asked to select the time frame of until when you want to delete the search history. You can select from today, custom range, and all time. I will tap on delete custom range. Now choose the date from when you want to delete the history and tap on next. And then tap on delete, and with this, search history on YouTube will be deleted. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.